Hi everyone and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Today, I'm showing you how to make soft, fluffy puff puff the easy way. This is my puff puff mix, Jamie's puff puff mix. Everything you need is inside. No measuring, no stress, just add water. To say thank you for watching, I'll be giving out puff puff mix to 3 people in Calgary who comment, like, and are subscribed. And this will be selected randomly. Since we do not have to show the ingredients, let's get started. First, we add our puff puff mix to a bowl. So this makes 30 to 35 balls, medium balls. Then we add water, a 400 ml, lukewarm water. Mix thoroughly. Good, we are done mixing. So we'll now cover, we'll leave it for about 30 minutes to rise before frying. So I'll cover this puff puff mix. We'll let it stand for about 30 minutes. For those in Calgary, I'll drop the list of stores in the description so you can go purchase yours there. Now that it's been 30 minutes, we'll now fry our puff puff. See the way the balls flips by itself because it's well mixed. You see? So we can now remove the puff puff into the pan. Our puff puff is ready. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out the list of stores in the description